school, not just another website with boring pre-recorded videos, but real digital school where the AI teachers actually teach students and answer the question, create quizzes, and automatically even speak over 30 different languages. That sound fantastic, right? Well, that's exactly what today software claim to do. In this video, I'll show you exactly what AI building is, how it works, why should you buy it, and pros and cons, and whether you are actually worth it, your money or not, for buying this product. So stay until the end because it also show you who should you show you who should you avoid buying this software. Let's get started for the review. So creating an online education business isn't easy. If you are ever tired and launch your own academy, your biggest challenge, first you need teacher, then you need a website, payment gateway, student management, quizzes, assignment, technical support, and free, and of course marketing. Before marketing, everything is you need to know, you need to have in your management or in your organization. So you can easily use this software to manage your teachers, because here is AI model is teaches your student with the real example. So what is the AI school builder? Basically, what exactly AI school builder is, according to developer, it is an AI powered platform that allow to anyone to create complete online school in just a few minutes, instead of without hiring a teacher. The platform use the human-like AI teacher. This AI teacher can explain lessons, teach different subject, answer different answer, generate quizzes, track student progress, and support multiple language. Everything happen in one dashboard. So whether you are teacher teaching math, science, history, any of the subject, this platform is good for you. So how it works, basically how this platform is works. So this work, create your first school and add your logo, your branding, everything you need to add, and add your custom domain, what your school name, add your school name custom domain, and choose your AI avatar, pick the subject, customize your courses, and launch your school. So a student login and AI teacher begin teaching them, answer question instantly, creating puzzle question, student quizzes for them, track student performance, and and even you can collect payment if you are charging for the access. So you can do everything in this software. So some of the feature we are talking about, here are some of the features stood out stood out the most. Number one, human like AI teacher. The AI teacher not like AI but is like a human. Instant robotic test, AI explain lesson using the natural voice. Number two, teach almost any subject, math, science, history, biology, coding, everything. This AI, the AI school teacher teaches you, and student can ask question anytime. This AI reply your question and answer, your student question and answer. And automatic quizzing system, the platform generate assignment automatically, student progress tracking, you can track your student progress, learning progress, all from one single dashboard. You on your branding, your logo, everything you on. So who should you buy it? So this software is basically made for the who is actually uh, online educator, coaches, consultant, tutorial, English language speaker, English language teacher, school owner, freelancer, agency, anyone on the software, and They can run AI school from their home and charge good amount of money from the student. Some Now we are talking about some pros and cons. Pros and cons. Let's talk about pros and cons. This is a one-time payment. There is a front end price is $15, but there is a sub back end. There is some OTOs as well, which is different OTA, different work. So upsell, downsell. There is also upsell and downsell. So AI teacher, multiple subject, built-in quizzes, student management, commercial license, beginner friendly, white label, branding, and like in any AI powered platform, the quality of the lesson is an interaction will depend on how will the system perform the real world use. You also want to evaluate the live demo and the available trial different policy before deciding. So let's talking about the price. This software is offer the launch discount as a one-time payment along with the 30-day money back guarantee with several bonus. Keep in mind the launch price and bonuses can change. So check the official page of the latest detail from the description. So let's talking about the final my thought about this software. AI School Builder present an interesting concept. Instead of the simply selling online courses. It aims to help user to create complete AI-powered learning platform. If the platform deliver the feature shown on the sales page, such as AI teacher, interactive lesson, automated prices, and branding, it could save educator time and reduce the setup complexity. So if you like um, this video, this review, go to description, check out my affiliate link, and if you purchase from my affiliate link, you will also get some additional bonus from my end. And this is one of the good software for the teacher, online educator, or person who want to run a school from their home. So this software is very interesting software for them. Here is some demo video. You must have to check out this demo video. This is the some of the exam classes example they have provided this. Let's play something so you understand the how this AI works.
Hello, I am Daniel Brooks, your math teacher. Which problem should we
So
solve
this is the
today?
AI teacher. You
Could
can
you show
choose,
me how to solve
and
the
this AI
equation
teacher
3x plus 12
will
equals 27 step by
explain your
step?
subject. You can
Absolutely.
ask any
Let's solve
question,
the equation
any
step by
doubt.
step.
This
The
AI
equation we
clear
have is
everything.
3x plus 12 equals 27.
Whatever you ask to
Step
them.
1. Isolate the term with the variable. To solve for x
This
plus,
is some of
we
the
want to
good
get the term with
product
values x
with the
plus
30-day
by
money back
itself
guarantee
on one
100%.
side of the
So
equation.
go
We
and
can
check
do
out
this by
from link from
subtracting 12
description.
from